sign up for this completely free website, which is only going to take you less than a minute to do so, and you're going to be able to start collecting all your earnings straight into your PayPal account on complete autopilot without exerting any effort or any work at all. I know you guys are dying to find out exactly what I'm talking about, so if you guys want to know what this secret method is, then make sure you check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Like I mentioned, we have a ton of different platforms that we're going to go over today, and you're going to combine all of them, and by doing so, you're going to be able to make money on complete autopilot without having to do any work whatsoever. Now, the first website that you want to go on is called irazoo.com. Now, when you go on over to this website, it won't take you too long to figure out what the website actually offers. It's your classic make money online website. You go on here, you get paid to download apps, watch free videos, do surveys, complete different offers, and I know some of you are already thinking, how can this be a passive income stream if I'm gonna have to actually do some work and invest some time and some effort to be able to get paid? But that's the thing, we're not gonna be using this website to do any of those usual stuff. Okay, we're gonna be doing something unique, something that's basically a secret and not everyone else likes to use because they think it doesn't bring them as much value as the other tasks. Although you guys can do the other tasks on this website, it will still pay you some money, but the unique strategy that I'm gonna be introducing to you guys is the strategy that's gonna get you the most money and the most value out of this website. Now, we're going to be using this website in a completely different way, and that is why I'm not going to be covering all of the website's features because that's not really going to matter, and it's just going to make this tutorial long enough than it already is, so you just really have to pay attention. So the first thing you're going to do when you get onto this website is you're going to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page. What you're going to do is click on refer friends over here, and that is going to take you to this page. And that way we're going to be making through irazoo, as most of you probably have already figured out, is by referring people. You have to really stick with me here, okay? Because this is not going to involve any social media platform that you know. I'm not gonna tell you to grab the referral link and just go onto Facebook groups and share it there. Whatever you already know, I'm gonna tell you to create something different, okay? It's unique, and I'm gonna guarantee you that you've never heard of this before, and I'm gonna show it to you later, okay? 100% free platforms that you're going to use, and combined with irazoo's referral program, you're going to set this up on complete autopilot, and you're going to get actual traffic into your referral link by not doing anything. From there, the moment you set it up, and anyhow, you're going to take a look at this. When some of your referred comes into the site, signs up, they're going to receive 500 points for completely free. It's a great addition that helps a lot because now people have something that'll motivate them to sign up on this platform because they're actually going to receive free points for just signing up. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to love. So make sure you check the description box down below. Also, comment down below where you're from and what devices you use. Also, tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. Like I said, the people you referred will be happy to know that when they sign up using your link, they're going to earn bonus 500 points just by signing up without doing anything, and this is going to motivate them a lot, and it'll also be a great help to you because when you set this up on autopilot, you're going to be able to get far more clicks on your link than any. Now, otherwise would be the case, okay? You yourself, you're not going to be doing anything or giving them anything. irazoo is the one that's going to reward your referrals just by signing up. Now, this is a great addition to the referral program. It's gonna let you, in the end, make more money because you're gonna be able to refer even more people. And it only gets better from here. Now, once your referral earns their first 1,000 points by completing offers, you're gonna get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points. Every single referral that you're able to invite can earn you points. When someone you refer to here earns their first 1,000 points, you're gonna get points yourself as a bonus. And it's gonna even boost your income. Now, this is another feature of iRazu's affiliate program, and this is actually gonna happen to you because most of the time when you refer someone to make money online website like this, they're obviously going to try to make money with it. And when they do, you're going to do so as well, and it's a win-win for everybody. Another awesome feature of the iRazu affiliate program. So, how many points will you earn exactly per set amount of people that you've referred? As you can see, 5 people are worth 2,500 points, while 80 people would amount to 40,000 points. And even if it's seems a little bit unrealistic to be able to actually get 80 referrals, I'm going to show you a website later that gets millions of visits per month, and that is where you're going to be able to get traffic on complete autopilot and make money online on complete autopilot. Before we get to that website, you're going to first sign up to iRazu's affiliate program. To do so, you're going to click on start referring, and it's then going to take you over to this page where you're going to either be able to sign up through Facebook or just by entering your email address and your password in these 2 boxes and clicking on the sign up button just below. Now, either way, you're done with that, and once you sign up, you're going to be able to grab your referral link, and it's this link, okay, that you now have to get traffic onto to be able to make money online in complete passive income. And I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to set this automatically to earn money. The first website you're going to have to go to is called pexels.com, and this is a place where you're going to find stock photos and videos on anything at all. I know it sounds confusing because why are we using this website? It doesn't make any sense at all. That's why you need to keep watching so it'll all make sense eventually. Now, what you're going to do on this platform is when you go on here, you're going to click on videos, and what you're going to do now is look up videos that are either related to business and finance or just making money online in general. In my case, I'm just going to look up the word money, so I'm going to show you what you're going to have to do. From here, you're going to choose any of the videos. You're going to find the one you like the most, and you're going to download it into your PC by clicking on the arrow icon over here. And once you do that, it's now time for you to go on to the last website, and I'm going to show you to that today. That'll actually get you traffic, and the site that we're talking about is called Imgur.com. And what this website does, or what it is a social media platform of sorts on here. You can find both images and videos that are related to anything in the media shared on this website. Now, it gets huge numbers because, as you can see on this website, it gets over 250 million visits on a monthly basis, meaning if you post something, your views, your clicks are pretty much guaranteed. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. So the first thing you're going to have to do on here is you're going to sign up, obviously. So you're going to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. You're going to enter in your username, your email, your password, your phone number. You're going to click on next to complete the process, or you can sign up manually or automatically using one of the platforms available, which is obviously faster. Either way, the moment you're done and you've logged in, this is how everything is going to look. And what you're going to have to do now is click on the new post up here and select choose photo video right here. And what you're going to do now is upload that video that you got from Pexels. And once your video uploads, you're then going to add a description and add a title. And you can entitle it something like get paid to watch videos for completely free. And in the description box, you can write something in like, I have here, sign up to this website for completely free and get 500 points, which you can redeem for real cash. Now, you don't have to type these in exactly. You can do something just similar, and then you're going to leave your referral link right next to that. And just like that, you're going to be able to make great money online on complete autopilot. A lot of people have already tried this, but not have came out successful yet, and you're going to be one of the few ones. So make sure you try this out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.